My brethren, Craig. One mic, 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 one mic. Thank you for that performance song. That was great. I knew it. I'm gonna follow on Instagram. That was fire. All right, so we have Craig. He goes by on Instagram, Messiah the Great. Let's give it up for Craig.
Blessings and respect, people. Wagwan. I am Craig A. Kirkland from Spanish Town, Jamaica. I'm an author, poet, and artist. This one I'm going to do is called I Am Sick. No jokes, pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends. I'm sick of... Yo. Alright, I'm gonna drop this again. Turn up the mic some more for me, please. Yo. Sick.
Run that back. Set up to the top.
Come on, keep it going. I am sick. No jokes, pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promotes me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If I never social media, they never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick without my life now seems to sparkle. I'm sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. A Johnny hear me grumbling in the bathroom and asks, Daddy, who are you to argue? I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to do. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news and fake information. So I'm sick and confused with fake education. I'm as I have a great views. We're living among a sick generation. In this mind of mine, I took time to find more time to be fine. As my thoughts incline and climb on I refuse to let heathen drain the energy from I. Monsters are creeping, thinking I'm sleeping. I'm fully awake, 4 decades pleading. Fighting while smiling, even while I'm weakened. The journey continues, even while I'm bleeding. You'll never make it. I ignore their speaking. Their fiction is sickly and misleading. Persuasion, invasions, beasts and zombies trying to control me but can't understand me. Be silent. I fight without violence. Spoken words subdue you like a hostage tyrant. I am your children's children. History assignment. Writing myself in the future with provoking highlights to capture your eyesight. I need you to understand me. It's pointless you try and ban me. I'm fueling the world with words like bright lights. I write what I like, whether or not you like it's my choice. I'm greater than you thought, tell them precisely. The fight continues, and there are more others just like me. One more before I go. This one is called for our children to know. Because when we look on social media, a lot of negative things, Mr. Cram, and the youth them stuck in front of it. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You'll encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop, aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey, yeah, I made mistakes, still I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People businessmen are discussing a mix up and a partake. My heart aches, I can't take. Liars and pretenders all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fearness among all human race. Notice this face, man, a lip trace I will never disgrace. My people for position where them empower you in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes are the reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. The book is called Don't Cry, available on Amazon. And I have some copies in case you want. Follow me on Instagram at Artist Craig Kirkland. So one final one. Mama, don't cry. I'm gonna make this work. Never stop praying for us even when you're experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom. Inside hurts, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside a church. Listen to this, I will not quit even if me have to keep crawling at the dirt. Don't cry. God, don't cry. You try to make things work. You're my first hero. You motivate me to serve. Son about a ball thinking I failed. Dad, I value your worth. You inspired me immensely. Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry. They never got it at first. So excited seeing Daddy's first merch. Not like my sales boosting online. Honestly, at times seems like my life in reverse. Many people depending on me. I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm gonna break this generational curse. Massachusetts, don't cry. Tell them precisely. Big respect and give thanks. Fresco. Western.
Give it up for Craig.
Big up.
Alright, next up. Let's give it another